everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. These sneakers for women genuine leather are super cute, trendy, and comfortable. There's many features I love about these shoes. These are genuine leather. First of all, you're going to see it has breathable sardine cloth, and I love the suede leather on the back. These are super trendy, and I love how this beige with gold goes well with everything. You're also going to see that it's a non-slip and the heel is 1.57 inches tall, which gives me a little bit of height. The insoles are also great quality. You're going to see how beautifully they are. They provide cushion and that support for you to be on your feet the whole day. These sneakers have become my favorite lately. I've been wearing them with every outfit. I've been getting so many compliments. This brand provides a variety of beautiful shoes that are super stylish and modern. I promise they will not disappoint you. These sneakers have been one of my favorite ones. I highly recommend them, and that is my point of view.